Hi kiddos! Today we are going to work on adding large numbers. Okay, so we have a problem here. 493 plus 238. We're going to start over here in our ones column. And I'm going to think, what is 8 plus 3? Oops. I know that 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. But I can't write 11 down here. I can only write the 1. Then the other one that's in the tens place gets put up here with the tens place. So now I have 1 plus 9 plus 3. Well, I know 1 plus 9 is 10. And then I know that 10 plus 3 is 13. And the same thing happens. I can put down the 3, but I cannot put down the 1 for 13. I have to carry it up here. So now instead of 4 plus 2, I have 1 plus 4 plus 2. I know that 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So my answer is 731. Let's do another one together. So my problem is 674 plus 198. Big numbers. All right, again, I'm going to start in my ones column. I know that 4 plus 8 is 12. I can't do this. No. That 1 I have to carry up here. And then I go this way. 1 plus 7 and plus 9. I know that 1 plus 9 is 10. And then 10 plus 7 is 17. So I put my 7 here. I carry my 1 up here. Now I have 1 plus 6 plus 1. And I know that's 7, 8. So my answer is 872. Let's try just a few more. 948 plus, I'm going to change that. We're going to do 848 plus 217. There we go. Okay. Same like the other ones. I start here. 8 plus 7. 8 and 8 is 16. 1 less is 15. So I put my 5 here. I carry my 1 up here. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 4, 5, 6. 6. And that's just a one-digit number, so I have nothing I have to carry up here. So then I'm going to look at this problem and think 8 plus 2 is 10. And then that is a two-digit answer, but there's nothing else out here to add. So we write it like this. And then I can put my comma in. My answer is 1,065. So not every time are you going to have a number to carry. Sometimes you are, and sometimes you aren't. One more problem. 546 plus 385. Okay. Again, we're going to start in our ones place. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry the 1. I know that 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 1 more is 13, my favorite number. And I add the 1 up here because I'm going to carry it up here. And then I look, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. 931 is the answer. So on the next couple of slides, you have some large numbers to add together. Thanks, kiddos. Have a great day.